Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Recent next to Notifications and tap on the best filter for you. Recent frequency all or turned off. In my case, frequency. Finally, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Play Store. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!